Okay guys, so sound that you're hearing right now, it is from DJI, outdated DJI Mic 2, and I want to compare and contrast the sound after the update. So this is the reason why you would want to update.
Talk to me.
Okay, so I'm gonna run some errands and we want to test this microphone. I'm in my car and I wanted to see how it sounds with all the ACs blasting. There's no low cut filter. The DJI receiver is attached onto the hot shoot of the camera FX3 with a 16mm of Viltrox 1.8, which is, I absolutely love this lens for vlogging and some wide establishing shots. I'm kind of curious how it sounds before the upgrade, because every single time I wanted to do some recording and it sounds really muffled. It doesn't sound really good, and I wanted to really test it because everybody's raving about this update, saying that the update is fantastic. It fixes all the problems. Okay, so, and of course I had to stop and get some beverage of my choice. I'm gonna turn on the full blast, the AC, and see how it sounds with the AC full blast, and also wanted to see what it looks like. Actually what it sounds like. Extra boost of the actual AC. Wanted to see how it sounds. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Turn left or right. So this is actually supposed to be so much clearer, less muffled, and less post-production that you have to do to that audio file. Because it sounds kind of even worse, muffled. Because again, remember, I'm going to be doing the same testing after the update is done. So let's try it out. So this is with the AC on. It has noise reduction on right now. So how does it sound? Does it sound better? Does it sound worse? Let me know. Low AC, and how does it sound? Does it sound good? So let me go ahead and turn on the noise reduction. Now this is with the noise reduction. I don't know if it sounds good or not. Okay, so I'm done here now. Let's get to the office. I'm gonna teach you how to do it step by step, the update of DJI Mic 2. Okay, here we are at the office with the transmitters, receiver, and it's all in this box. I don't want to plug in this box to the computer. Now you have to do it individually, and you have these cords. If you don't have this USB to USB Type-C cord with the DJI, you misplaced it somewhere, don't freak out. So all you have to do is just find yourself a regular USB Type-C to USB Type-C fast enough to transfer some of those files. I'll show you how everything is done step by step, so let's follow along. All I have to do is just go to Google, just type in DJI Mic 2 firmware update, and voila, you're there. So just click on downloads, and here you can see the box of transmitters, receivers, and of course the guide. If you don't know what's going on, you have to read the guide, you can do that, but I'll go ahead and download all that stuff. You have to make sure that receiver has this little cover and it's not connected to any kind of other devices. So for example, I have this direct connect to the hot shoe of Sony cameras for the DJI Mic receivers, and there's times that it will just cause you issues, so just disconnect, making sure it's all kind of like stock looking like, and go ahead and plug this into the back of this receiver and just plug it onto your computer. Don't turn it on, just make sure don't turn it on. And now we're gonna simply have this little no name pop in. It just simply indicates that your computer actually sees that receiver. There's times if you're on Mac, you won't be able to see it until you actually accept the unknown device. There's times, but not in this case. So I have this open, and what I will do is I'm just simply gonna find the receiver, and I'll just simply drop this file. Now, keep in mind, it will take a while. It's gonna look like it takes forever and it's not doing anything. It's not transferring the file. It does. Please be patient. Let's see.
2,000 years later.
And it's done, not that long. So now all we have to do is just disconnect or eject, proper way, eject this receiver from your computer. Make sure it's fully ejected. Okay, now I'm disconnecting. So you can see this little icon, it's updating. Do not turn it on. Don't do anything with it. Let it be, or it's gonna do the update by itself, and then it will let you know like, hey, you're good to go. Use it. Here it says update successful. I'm gonna plug in the other transmitter. I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna drop the same exact file for transmitter because it's 2 of them. Okay, it's done. Now I'll unplug this thing and let it do its thing. The transmitter is flashing. When you turn it on, that means it is getting that update done. I hope this video was helpful. If you loved the video, please like it, subscribe. It costs $0. The subscription is free. And if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask them down in the description below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. See ya.